Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best trailer dollies on Amazon. This cleverly designed piece of equipment can be a game changer and a time saver when it comes to moving a trailer a short distance. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. MaxxHaul Trailer Dolly. This affordable dolly has a lower capacity than some of its rivals, but it can move up to 600 pounds on its 12-inch pneumatic tires. It's designed for moving boat, utility, and jet ski trailers. The frame is made of heavy-duty steel that has been powder-coated for durability. This dolly is very well made, strong, and easy to maneuver and store. It works best on a flat garage floor, but it works fine on a gently sloped asphalt driveway. It's easy to raise a trailer and pull it or push it if you are on level ground. The long handle and cushion grip make it comfortable. Also, the dolly is easy to assemble and is maintenance-free. One problem with this dolly is that there may be issues with quality control and defective parts. It also may struggle to work effectively at maximum capacity. In addition, it's a challenge to use on grass if you're going backwards. Number 2. Super Handy Trailer Dolly Electric Power. Larger trailers require more serious strength and durability to move them around. That's where the Super Handy Trailer Dolly Electric Power comes in. Well, super handy. It's powered by a 24-volt DC 7Ah 800-watt electric motor. This beast of a dolly can carry a maximum weight of up to 3,600 pounds, making it one of the most heavy-duty trailers on our list. It has a maximum tongue weight of 600 pounds. The dolly itself is constructed from durable and strong steel and can accept hitch coupler sizes of 2 inches. It's suitable for jet ski trailers, utility trailers, livestock trailers, and even some RVs. This easy-to-operate trailer takes all the stress off your back and spine and is able to move at a maximum speed of 1.5 miles per hour. Number 3. Conk's 5,000 pounds capacity trailer dolly. The trailer Valet XL shines with its impressive 5,000 pounds capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of trailers. Whether you're hauling a boat, RV, or cargo trailer, this dolly can handle the weight with ease. No longer will you have to struggle with the limitations of other dollies. The trailer Valet XL empowers you to move hefty loads effortlessly. With the trailer Valet XL, maneuvering your trailer becomes a stress-free task. Its precision steering mechanism enables you to navigate tight spaces, narrow driveways, and crowded parking lots with confidence. The dolly's dual 9-inch solid rubber tires ensure smooth movement on various surfaces, allowing you to effortlessly position your trailer exactly where you need it. Setting up your trailer for towing has never been easier, thanks to the integrated tongue jack on the trailer Valet XL. The tongue jack allows you to raise or lower the trailer tongue effortlessly, aligning it with the hitch for a perfect connection. Number 4. Trailer Valet XL Trailer Dolly. The trailer Valet XL Trailer Dolly gets a shout-out for being a smartly designed ultra-compact trailer dolly that has a huge capacity. This tiny dolly is constructed from heavy-duty steel with a hammer-tone, powder-coated finish to give it added durability. We love that this trailer dolly is one of the smallest on our list, making it easy to store when not in use. But small doesn't mean weak. This dolly has a maximum trailer capacity of 10,000 pounds, with a max tongue weight of 1,000 pounds, making it also one of the strongest trailer dollies on our list. It's equipped with a 2 5/16-inch hitch ball and has a specially designed patented ball mount for added safety. This dolly is also equipped with 2 9.25-inch never-flat rubber tires and an auto brake function to hold your trailer in place. One drawback to this compact design is that due to the placement of the 2 wheels, this is one of the least stable dollies on our list. It will also sink into softer soil or gravel with heavier loads, making it very difficult to move your trailer. It's definitely best used on concrete surfaces only. Number 5. Tuff Adjustable Trailer Dolly. The Tuff Adjustable Trailer Dolly isn't what you'd call dull. It's a sturdily built device that can move trailers weighing up to 600 pounds. Best of all, it is built out of heavy-duty steel that has been powder-coated and hammer-toned, enhancing its functionality and overall towing power. As with other trailer dollies, this one's best aspect is its tires. With two 10-inch tires, the dolly is extremely mobile. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.